It was his vision that what we have learned today. Otherwise, Muslims, they were totally against to read English. Modern education at the time, when he announced modern education, people, they opposed him like anything. They thought that, he is doing something against the Muslim community, particularly against the girls, Muslim girls. But his vision, can you imagine what he thought at the time, what he was thinking at the time? It was his then, you can say, what he gave, we are getting the benefit today. And every penny, not only, he got as a contribution from others, he gave the money from his own pocket. Whatever assets he had, he donated to the university. In this film, every character, what you are going to show, should be totally exclusive. All those people who are linked with him, those who are working with him, those who have been devoting time with him, or those who supported, they should also be mentioned in the film, because he was such a great person. His personality has to be displayed. I am very happy that this assignment has been given to Nilofer, and she has been totally dedicated in her assignments. Whatever she does in perfect manner. So I believe and I wish all the best that once this film is ready, people, they should appreciate and they should applaud, because this film is going to create a history, and automatically this film will be a history itself. This film is not being produced for this generation like my generation. No, it has to inspire the young generation, younger generation, and generations to come up. So I wish all the best to you.